Are you curious to explore Mars? Come along for a fun ride. Meet the Mars Rover. It's a super cool robot sent by NASA to explore the red planet. It takes awesome pics, checks out rocks, and even searches for signs of life. Imagine a robot adventurer driving around on Mars, discovering new things every day. Isn't that out of this world? Stay curious, space explorer. If your Legos could fly, they'd be rockets. Let's see how they're made. First, we start with the big metal tubes. These are like the rocket's body. Engineers put them together piece by piece, kind of like building with giant Legos. Next, they add the engines. These are the rocket's muscles, making it zoom into space. Finally, they add the fuel, like the rocket's super juice. And there you have it, ready for blastoff.
Your drone's secret sauce, the ESC, let's break it down. The Electronic Speed Controller, or ESC, is the unsung hero of your drone. Think of it as the translator between your battery and motor. When you push the throttle, the flight controller sends a signal to the ESC. This signal is like a coded message telling the motor how fast to spin. The ESC draws power from the battery and converts it from DC to AC for the brushless motor. It does this with a clever switching system that precisely times the electrical pulses. This timing is key to controlling motor speed and direction. Some ESCs even use sensors to ensure smooth and accurate rotation. So next time your drone takes off, remember, it's the ESC making your commands come to life.
What I wish I knew at 10? That becoming an astronaut isn't just a dream. First, love science and math. They're your best friends. Study hard in school and stay curious. Next, stay fit and healthy. Astronauts need strong bodies and minds. Then, aim to go to college and learn about space. Join clubs, enter competitions, and never stop exploring. Remember, every astronaut started with a big dream, just like you. Keep reaching for the stars. You got this.
You need to watch this if you struggle with shaky drone footage. Let's dive into the world of shock absorbers. Shock absorbers, also called anti-vibration mounts, are the unsung heroes of drone stability. They absorb vibrations from motors, propellers, and landing gear, protecting your drone's sensitive electronics. Think of them like tiny cushions made of rubber or silicone. When your drone hits a bump, these shock absorbers compress, flexing their material to soak up the energy. As they rebound, they release this energy as heat, keeping those nasty vibrations away from your flight controller and camera. The result? Smoother flights, better image quality, and happy electronics. Typically, these mounts are attached directly to the flight controller or key components, depending on your drone model. So, next time you're up in the skies, remember, it's those little shock absorbers making your flight feel like a dream. Fly safe and happy, droning.
Ready to go on a space gardening adventure? Let's blast off! In space, there's no soil. Astronauts use a special gel or water to grow plants. It's called hydroponics. Plants need light, so they use LED lights to mimic the sun. No gravity means roots grow in all directions. It's like a plant party. Growing plants in space helps astronauts eat fresh food. Who knew space gardening could be so cool? Now you do.